everyone, it's Sandra from Midwest Charm. I am coming to you from my home today, but we have a little boutique in downtown Pine City, Minnesota, where we take items, repurpose them, upcycle them, create and sell them there. We have amazing gifts as well. And I'm coming to you today from my home with a thrift haul. We are being very, very purposeful in the items that we are grabbing. So as long as I don't have any in the store, there's something that sells super fast for us. I have a vignette in mind that I'm going to throw them in, then I will grab it. But otherwise, we have quite the stash we've built up that needs to be flipped. So that's one of our New Year's goals that we are working on is making sure that we get to this stash and start working through these projects, which you guys will be seeing videos of me doing a bunch of flips coming up. So keep your eyes out for those. And let's get into our haul today. The first item I'm going to show you is this coffee table book. When we can go to Goodwill and get a coffee table book for their hardcover price, I think it's $1.79 or $1.99, we are going to grab them all day, every day. We have a stack of them now that we've picked up that have just been amazing, and this one's no exception. The other item I'm going to show you right off the bat is this huge metal basket. I am obsessed with this. It's in really good condition. It's got the jute handles, the wood bottom. Just going to scrape off the tags that are on here and put that right out. It's going to look amazing with blankets rolled up in it. I cannot wait. Then we have this rolling pin with little bees, honeycomb. I was going to stain this dark, but I think I'm actually going to leave this as is and just put it out. It'll look really cute in a spring vignette. I have mentioned before how items with birds sell really well for us, so this was a no-brainer to pick up, especially since it's a clock and the color is fabulous. Again, clean up, new batteries in the store, and it's ready to go. I think everything we got today will be able to go right out with the exception of one item that I'll show you last. Next up, we have a mug rack. Again, the color is fabulous. I love it. This distressing's not terrible either. Sometimes it looks really, well, I mean, I know it's done on purpose, but it looks like it's done on purpose. So this one's actually pretty good. This will go right out on the floor. I was a little skeptical as to whether it was a mug rack because this bottom row is so low, but that's how we'll put it out. This style especially sells super well for us, but those mug racks in general sell well for us. This next item Katie found and was like, Mom, these are all on trend right now, big time. This would look great, this vase, as a centerpiece with some floral, throw some rocks in the bottom. It would be beautiful. However, we're going to probably style it how she mentioned it. She said she's seen them on bookshelves with books, and then you have your floral or greenery in there, and it looks super cool. So that is probably how we're going to do it in the store. It's really heavy as well. It's an amazing piece, and I can't wait to get that out. And speaking of greenery, we picked this baby up. This is, again, not going to have anything done to it. No paint. I'm going to scrape the stickers off the bottom. I will probably pull this little rosemary stick out, the marker out, because there's no reason for that. And we will put this out as it is. It'll look really cute in somebody's window. And last but not least is this wine rack. And this is going to get some work done. There was a label on here that I peeled off. I'm going to actually either, obviously, get the label off, but I'll either paint this or put some transfers on it, decoupage it, something. Needs something. However, in our store, I don't ever style these as a wine rack. We hang them on the wall, and this is the kind we look for, and they sell so fast we can't keep them in stock, and I can never find good ones. We sell them with, or as a rolling pin holder. I will line them all up. I will put Turkish towels rolled up on here or real light throw rolled up and put on there, and they sell super fast that way. Not just the racks, but the rolling pins, the towels, or whatever we throw on there sell really well too. So this is the one item that will have some work done to it, and then that will get put out too. That's it, you guys. It was a super small haul, but again, it's all things that can go out right away or just need that minor little bit done, and I know these items are going to sell super fast for us. So my favorite item today, I think, has got to be the wine rack or the vase. I don't know. What about you guys? What was your favorite item? Please share this with your friends. We are trying to really work on upping our subscriptions this year. We have a goal for the end of the year, and I'm really hoping to hit that. So please share, like, comment below with your favorite item. And thanks for watching. I really appreciate it, and we'll see you all next time. Bye.